Hello, friends. Welcome to our free course, Flutter from Zero to Employment. Last time we discussed the if operator, and today we will talk about the switch operator. The switch operator is a powerful tool that simplifies code when you need to check one value against multiple options. The switch operator is used to compare one value with multiple options. It's especially useful when you have many conditions that depend on a single value. For example, let's consider an example with days of the week, where we have a variable of type int, presumably from 1 to 7. Here's what the syntax looks like. Inside the parentheses after switch, we write the value we want to check. Next, inside the curly braces, we have case statements, the code inside which will be executed if they match the value. In this case, inside the switch, we will use the variable day. Then, using the case keyword, we write the values we want to compare. This is similar to the comparison operator == =. Let's write a case for each day, where we will print text to the console. Notice that we use break after each case. If we don't use this, all the cases below the matching case will also be executed. It sounds very confusing, but now you will see in an example how it works. Let's run the code and check the result. As we can see, the corresponding day of the week is printed in the console. What if we remove the break? Nothing. The thing is, I am using a version of Flutter with Dart above 3. Starting from version 3, break is not mandatory. If my version were lower, besides Thursday, all the remaining days below would also be printed in the console. Now, let's consider the keyword default, which is similar to the else keyword in the if statement. It will be triggered if there is no matching case for our value. In this case, we can print a message to the console about an invalid day of the week. If we change the variable value and run the program, we will see that the default code is executed. The last keyword for today is continue. It allows us to jump to a label specified before any case in advance. Here's what it looks like. Running the code, we see that besides one case, the case we referred to through continue is also executed. I suggest you now complete a small task. Create an int variable that will take a value representing the sides of a shape, and write a switch statement that will print the name of the shape to the console based on the variable's value. Pause the video and try to solve this task on your own. Solution: congratulations to those who succeeded. And for those who didn't, don't worry. To complete this task, we need to create a variable sides, assigning it a value of 5, for example. Now, create a switch that will take the value from this variable and process it in the cases. Create cases for all the main types of shapes. Don't forget about default in case the number doesn't match any shape. Running the code, we see that it works. Now you know how to use the switch operator in Dart. It's a great tool for simplifying code when you have many conditions depending on one value. In the next video, we will continue exploring the basics of Dart and Flutter. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and write in the comments what else you would like to learn. See you in the next video.